Now this interesting little thing is a cheese mill, but if you don't like cheese, don't turn off, because it actually does grate and mill other things, doesn't it?
Does all sorts of things. I'm going to show you different things that you can do. It's got two blades with it. So you've got one blade that's a little bit coarser, and you've got a finer blade underneath. Take the top off, and you've got a compartment, two compartments that can go in. Blades on the bottom, you just clip it in with a little pin clip. In that goes. We've got some nuts here. So I'm going to do two types of nuts.
You've got some almonds.
I've got some almonds and I've got some hazelnuts.
Yeah.
In they go, both sides, like so. Now you can roast these if you want first.
So this is if you were making cakes or using them as a garnish or something like that?
If you're doing something like a nut cake, you're doing a carrot cake and you want some walnuts in there, things like that, you could do that. And so this is nuts in. Look at this. I'm grating the fresh mixed nuts together. Doing chocolate and you wanted some nuts on top. Put digestive biscuits in. If you're making cheesecakes and like that, you can grate your digestive biscuits in. Chocolate, it's just great. Look at that. Really fantastic nuts. And then,
if you were going to use the larger blade, what, for example, would be great with this?
well, you could do things like cheese. You could add to it carrots, so grated carrot for salads, coleslaw. You could do cucumber, pieces of cabbage, shredded cabbage. When you place your cheese in, put two pieces in, so you've got even cheese on each side.
Even cheese?
Even cheese, so you've got even weight when you're pushing down on it. So you're not pushing on one side, you're pushing on both. And that way you get even grating distribution on both sides.
Now, what I like about this is it seems to break down into lots of different pieces, which means to me it's easy to clean.
It is, so it doesn't store, you won't cut your fingers, it's safe from that point of view. It's plastic, again, just some warm soapy water, take it out, take the first part out, wash that, take the second part out, take the rest of your cheese out. So you've got three parts, 1, 2, 3, goes back together, 1, line it up, 2, and there you have, grater, absolutely brilliant.